Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, coming to you from the Avon Park Aero Modelers Club. A little windy here, but that's all right. We're going to take up the FlyFans L-39 64 in the black diamond livery. I've got the GNS performance analyzer in there. We're going to see what kind of speed we can get out of this plane. All right, right, left, up, down, right, left. All right, let me go over here. This is where my camera baby has requested me to stand. All right, get turned around. Back up a little bit. Audio on? Okay, here we go. A little windy, so don't need takeoff flaps.
Gear up.
All right, we're going to right off the bat, we're going to take it up, flip it. That should give me my speed run.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
You can see very axial roll. Do that again.
Gear down.
Well, that AS3X is
Landing flaps.
definitely working overtime right now. There we go. Get turned around here.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
Good looking plane. All right, we're going to take off again. We're going to try to come down the runway a little bit kind of low and fast. I'm going to try to anyways. I hate calling them a shot sometimes.
Gear up.
Kind of like a practice landing, basically. And not as low as I wanted, but that's okay. Gives you a good look at it.
Time remaining 2.
That was under half throttle right there.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Bring closer to me this time. That wind, I got a little bit of a cross breeze, so it's pushing the plane off the, yeah, I know, wham, 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 right?
Flaps up.
I'm trying to avoid that sun, too. All right, here we go.
Gear up.
We're going to take it up, flip it. As you can see,
Gear down.
for a little plane,
Landing flaps.
you got plenty of speed.
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right. I'm going to take off again. Just going to leave the gear down. This time I'm going to land with no flaps. Plenty of wind, that's for sure. Yeah, That was better with no flaps. All right, we had 30 seconds left.
Prop secured.
No, we were over by 2 seconds, sorry. Prop secured. Let's check the speed and see how fast we had her going. 99 miles an hour, 230 feet, 99 miles an hour. That is awesome. All right, we'll turn that off. Now let's go over the plane. 99 mile an hour. I bet if I put a SMC high voltage pack in there, I could get her over 100 for sure. Excuse me. To show you the setup, that is where I have the 2700 6S. There's the GNSS Performance Analyzer by SkyRC. And tucked back down there and underneath there behind the battery back up in there is an AR631 Spectrum receiver. Do have AS3X and gyro and wind mitigation and all that, and self-leveling, but I was only using the wind mitigation. This is an awesome plane, folks. I mean, you get lights, you get flaps, you get attitude, you get great performance, and much more economical. 6S's, I'm gonna say these 6S's, you can get them for, 40 to 50 bucks, 30 or 40 bucks each. And so, 100 bucks get two, spend you 300 bucks on the plane. And between two batteries in the plane, you got 300 bucks. And my wife's giving me the subtle hint to check the battery. She does this, she goes, that tells me check the battery, because I always forget. 49%. I could have flown for 4 minutes and 20 seconds easy. Easy. All right, folks. Banana Hobby, FlyFans, these little these L-39s, these three y'all got, what you've been coming out with lately, E-Flight, FMS, y'all got a contender here. Y'all have a good, and don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and L-39s from Banana Hobby. Bye-bye.